Hello everyone, I just wanted to give you an update about this grapevine that we moved last winter. So it's been in this location now for just over 6 months. It's been very slow to take, even though when we moved it we dug up quite a large root ball and reduced the actual overall size of the vine by, well, more than half. So it's here now in its permanent new position, trained along this support. And we actually do have some grapes. This is a black seeded grape. So we do have some actual grapes on it this year. Not enough to make any wine, but next year there should be enough to make at least a demijohn. So if you're going to move grapes, you need to do it in the dormant season and dig up quite a large root ball and reduce back the size of the vine. Now, this vine's never really been trained, so I've reduced it back to 3 branches. There's 2 horizontal branches there, and this one, which will be getting trimmed back and trained properly in the dormant season coming. So, make your own wine. Sounds like a plan.